Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a facial hair removing face pack, and this is from the brand Roots and Herbs. This is the Roots and Herbs Chickpea and Kasturi Turmeric Facial Hair Depilatory Mask. This is the first time I'm seeing a facial hair removing face pack. Facial hair is something which we all have and we all look ways to get rid of it. So I was looking online for some painless way to remove facial hair, and I found this product, and this product had great reviews, so I thought of giving this a try. This is a flour and clay based mild instant hair removing powder. This is barium sulfide free, ammonia free, silicone free, synthetic colors free, sulfate free, paraben, alcohol and mineral oil free. And this brand, Roots and Herbs, is a made in India brand. Also, this is vegan, cruelty free and halal certified. This can be used by children who are above the age of 14. And if you regularly use this face mask, it will retard your hair growth. This has chickpea flour, this has aloe vera, kasturi turmeric, kaolin clay, calcium carbonate, camphor and essential oils. Camphor is very good. Camphor has antibacterial properties, so just in case you have acne, this will take care of that as well. I have used this once, and this comes in such a beautiful packaging. You can see this golden seal. This looks so pretty and exotic and kind of a rich kind of a feel this gives. Now you must be wondering how I use this product without even opening it. I wanted to open the seal in front of you, so I use this product by opening it from below. Yeah, I had to. Okay, so let's just open this together. So nice. Okay. So the packaging looks like, if you can see, this is a very nice and basic packaging. Everything mentioned on the carton is mentioned on the bottle as well. The area of application has been mentioned clearly. You can use this on your side locks, chin, jawline, upper lips, and not on full face. This is not a regular face mask. Do not apply this on your full face, and especially not near your eyebrows. You will be losing your eyebrows if you do that. This is just for the areas where you have facial hair. Is that clear? So how you have to use this, I'll just tell you. You have to take 1 teaspoon of this or the required amount in a bowl and just add water enough to make a toothpaste like consistency, and then apply on the desired area. You have to make a thick paste so that the skin is not visible, and once it is dry in like 10 to 15 minutes, just moisten it a little bit and then wipe it off with a wet cloth, and your hair will be gone. Okay, so I recently used this, as I told you. So I don't have much facial hair right now. Like, even if I have, that won't be visible on the camera. So I'll use it somewhere else where I can see a little bit of hair. I will use it over there. I have sensitive skin, and this works very well on sensitive skin as well. So let's just quickly make a small amount of pack, and I'll see where I have to apply that. I hope you can see these small hair on my knuckles. If you can see, I hope you can see, right? Let's use it over here. I do not have much facial hair at the moment because I had to try this before suggesting it to you, and this works very well, no irritation or nothing. So let me just show you over here, and I'll just make a small quantity pack. This has a very nice fragrance. This smells like sandalwood and camphor. Camphor is quite overpowering, a very soothing kind of a fragrance. So I'll just take a little amount, like I'll take this much. I'll just mix a little water to make a toothpaste like consistency. Okay, so this is how the paste should look like, thick and not runny at all. Okay, so I've applied this on my knuckles, and now I'll wait for it to dry, then I'll wipe it off and I'll show you how easily this removes the hair. Okay, so it has been like 10 minutes and this has completely dried off. This starts drying off the moment you apply it. So 10 minutes is more than enough for your face. So I'll just wet this a little bit. Okay, so I'll be removing this pack with this wet towel. Yeah, so you can see the hair has gone. If you can see. So let's remove this one as well. This has removed hair. You can see clearly, right? This has removed the hair. I just found out that apart from your face, you can also use this on your knuckles and your toes. There is no hair right now over here, if you can see. This is a great product, guys. So this is so painless and so nice and no irritation, nothing. Just make sure you use this just on the area where you have hair. I'm again saying this is not a face pack, especially on your hairline. Do not use that, you will lose hair. And eyebrows also, no, do not use it near your eyebrows. Just hair, chin, neck, upper lips, that's it. Yes, I would highly recommend this to women who have facial hair and who want to remove this in a painless method. Definitely you can use this. This is very effective and works like a charm. I'll put the link of this product in the description box, so you can definitely go and have a look and buy this and try this. This is going to go a long way. You just have to use 1 or 2 teaspoons, that's it. And you don't have to use this daily also. Like, and also if you use this continuously, this will retard the hair growth. This will go a long way. So think about it and buy this, and this is really very good. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.